This is my homework for lesson number 40 on the Raspberry Pi picoW. I've pretty much done everything Paul has done. Import machine pin I2C and IMU import 6050, and then I imported the SD 1306 driver, and I did some stuff here to make the text on the display a little bigger so you can see it. Okay, now I've done here, this is all for the display. This is for the MPU, the accelerator. Okay, then I set up X accelerator just like we did for Paul's homework, except here I added the Z and I subtracted the number one from to normalize it so it would be the same as the other axis, because for some it's sitting at 1, which I'm assuming has got to do with 1G, which is gravity. Okay, and then down here I did the print. Sleep point 2. Then I did the X axis. I rounded it to 2, although this doesn't seem to be working very well. And then the Y I round it to 2, and the Z I round it to 2. Then down here I set up the display. A display acceleration on the top line in the yellow. And then I set the next one. I got a text that says X equals, and then I set it for 0 and plus 16, which gets it out of the yellow. And then I print the X acceleration, which is X, and I change it to a string so it'll print. And I added a position of 30 to get it out of the way of the X equals. And then I dropped it. This is the X level. Uh-oh, what happened? There it goes. And then right down here, I've got the next one. I display that, and at the end I write G's as in 90 and 16 towards the end of it. I did the same for Y and the same for Z. And then I did show, sleep. Uh-oh, what happened here? Maybe that's why it was acting kind of funny. Alright, well, it didn't matter. It's running now, so if I try to run it with bombs because of that. But it's running now, so we can look at it. It's hard to see the axes, but the plotter does a pretty good job of showing you. If I go the x-axis, which I'm going to have to back this thing up a little bit. Then pick it up a little bit. Okay. Now the x-axis positive should be towards me. If I go that way, you can see, and I see nothing. Hold on. Go back. That's interesting. I wonder why it's... Try to put it down. Oop, there went the camera. That's the x-axis. It's blue, I believe. Okay, and then the y-axis will be this way. I think it's that way. Yeah, y-axis is this way. You can see the y, which happens to be orange, and for some reason I've lost my sensitivity here on the plotter. Okay, now the z-axis, if you go up real fast and down real fast. So far I'm not seeing it. Yeah, I've lost my sensitivity on that darn plotter. I'm not sure why that is. But if you look at the display, I got a Z of 0.09 Gs. If I go up, it goes to plus 0.7 Gs. Go down, it goes minus 0.59 Gs. And if I do it, I'll just read them to you because I don't think you can see them from this far away. The Y is 0 sitting there. If I go this way, it goes plus 51, and if I go that way, it goes should be a minus. Oh, that was okay. That's minus 13 plus, or I'm trying to. Which way is plus on this darn thing? Okay, it's to the right. So if I go Y to the right, I get plus 0.02, plus 0.19. If I go left, it goes negative. It goes negative 0.28. And the X goes this way, should be positive. Negative, positive. Positive 0.26, minus 0.19. Okay, well, it kind of works, and you can hardly see the display, you know, with this this display. This is on top of this is a large font, so I can see it better, but on the video you really can't see it very well. Anyhow, that's my homework, and I appreciate Paul doing all these videos, and thank you, Paul. Goodbye.